today we're going to do Baby Alive.
Hey, it's Monique, and we are doing Baby Alive Snacking Sarah.
Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Mommy, is it snack time?
Let's go.
We're going to be real gentle with her.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to hurt her too good. That's the starting opening.
What do we have?
We have a plate, a roller, juice, apple.
Oh.
What is this?
That's a shaper, a cutter.
Shape.
Yeah.
And
We have
then
a carrot,
the food.
food, and
Oh my gosh. Hey, what's this over here?
And then we have some diapers,
Oh.
2 of them, and then Snacking Sarah. Well, technical difficulties. Okay.
okay, we're going to get some carrots and some apple.
Wait, first we gotta put her diaper on.
She doesn't have a diaper on?
Not yet.
Oh my
You put
gosh.
her diaper on and I was going
This might be graphic. Hold on, children.
This thing is small. I don't know how to put a doll's diaper on.
What are you doing over here?
making her food.
Oh, you're getting her snack ready. Getting some carrots.
Let's see if she sees that.
Yeah. Does she have a juice box too? Oh yeah, look.
It's
She has juice and carrots. That's a great snack. She's getting that diaper on.
I might make her a lot of food.
A lot of food.
We don't,
She's a hungry little girl, right?
yeah.
This is harder than it looks.
We're in the pants. And we'll get back to y'all when she's ready to take a snack.
Hi guys. Hi mommy. I'm hungry.
She's
Oh,
hungry.
oh, she's hungry.
Hug, please.
Oh, she's eating
She
it.
wants a hug.
Give her a huggy.
Small pieces.
Feed her.
Hello. Peekaboo.
I think she ate it. Hold on.
Time to play.
She's eating it. Look. Just keep feeding her. Keep no, put more. Yeah, she's
I
hungry.
love you. Mommy, is it snack time?
Give her some juice.
Snacks, please.
She needs some juice with her carrots.
You make the best snacks.
Let's see if she's
Yeah.
hungry.
Feeding her some more.
Go.
Yeah, we gotta kind of force feed her because she's.
Hi, Mommy.
Oh, there she goes. She ate it. There she goes.
Snacks, please.
Snacks, please. You little goofy girl.
Hug, please.
Don't shake the baby. Hug, please. Give her a hug. Big hug.
Do never shake the baby if it's real.
Never. Even if it's not real. Hello. Peekaboo. Getting these green apples ready. Oh my God.
I love you too.
Don't you look at me.
Mommy,
What?
is it snack time? It's
This girl
snack
can
time.
eat.
You eat the best snack.
Okay, I think she's done eating.
I don't.
Stinkaroo.
I don't know.
Wow.
Mommy, I'm hungry.
Oh my.
Snack, please.
Snack, snack, snack.
Hug, please.
She wants a hug. Oh. Time to change your diaper.
Stinkaroo.
Uh-oh. Oh my.
Gross.
Oh my.
Ew.
She went. Hey, she needs a diaper change. Somebody help
I
her
will
out.
do it. Monique went somewhere else.
Close your mouth. Where's the Play-Doh? And say it. Say it out. That's the end of the video.
It's coming along. There we go. There we go. Juju doesn't want to be in a baby doll video.
Here she is, all ready to go.
Bye guys. Have a nice day.
Bye guys, have a nice day.